welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi everybody, nice to meet you. So just go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Anyways, for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the hair that I'm currently slaying, and that is the Alby Brazilian curly wig. So let's get started. Okay, so first off, hair comes in this bag. It came with a hairnet over it and everything, and it came in this. It says 22 inches right there. It also came with, sorry this is wet, it's kind of on whatever. It also came with these lashes, this booklet with instructions on how to take care of the hair, how to measure it. You know, this is nice. And it came with wig cap, but you know, I used one. I have one on my head right now, and I used the other one at some point. I can't find it. So, like, honestly, when I first got it, because I've never worn like hair, what do you call it? Like hair, what do you call it? What do you call it, babe? Hair pattern, hair type. I've never worn a hair texture like this. I don't know what else to call it. I've never worn this type of shit. It's at the tip of my tongue. I don't know, but I've never worn this type of hair before. Normally it's like straight hair, body wave, I think it's called, or like, yeah, just them there. Yeah, because I just got into the wig game, you know, so I'm not really like all that in there yet. Soon. So this is the Brazilian curly, and like when I first got it, I thought it was a little thin, and that's what I thought, because it came in like, you know, single whatever. And I know how hair stay. I know you have to comb it out and stuff first, but like I did just think it was gonna be thin, but boy was I wrong. Like, this hair is so fluffy. It's 22 inches. When it's stretched, it's like under my boob. Yeah, but it's like so fluffy, guys. Let me turn around. Like, yeah, like it's a lot of fluff, and I literally, like, I'm living for this hair. So I'm probably going to shape it, you know, to my face or whatever. Oh, sorry, yeah. I ordered this hair on the 7th of December, and I got this hair around the 8th or 9th. So the shipping was really fast. The customer service rep was in contact with me the entire time. Like, the process was so smooth. This hair costs around, let me look, 715 yuan, which in USD would have been 167 US dollars. It came pre-plucked, but I did a little plucking to it and stuff, just, you know, to, I don't know, because I felt like I had to, so I just did. The hair is, you know, affordable, and it's really good quality hair. I would advise any of you guys, like, to go out and get this hair. Like, it's really good quality, and you guys can get it longer. I think they have up to 26 inches maybe, or you can get it shorter. I think they have up to like 10 inches or so. I'm just so happy with the way it is, and let me know how you guys feel about this hair. Right now I just have water and mousse in it. I'm gonna show you guys how I plucked it, how I plucked the hair, how I prepped it and stuff like that. And okay, so this is how the hair looked when I took it out of the package. 3 combs and, you know, all that jazz. Hairline is pre-plucked, and I'm showing you in comparison to my complexion. The lace is quite, like, it's not bad. It's a little blended, you know. Peace. Now you're just gonna get your bleach powder and your volume developer, a bowl, and a comb, and also foil paper, which is optional. So you're just gonna get your bleach powder and throw some of it in the bowl like so, you know, eyeball it, and then you're gonna slowly add your volume developer and just mix that, you know, trying to get a foam consistency. You don't want to get it too watery so it seeps through, so you want it to look something like that. I'm showing you guys the lace, how it looks, the knots, sorry, how it looks before they're bleached. You can see the little black spots. Now you're just going to cover, I usually cover the entire lace, so you just want to do that, and pop, lace is covered. We're just gonna let that rest for 17 minutes. Just gonna cover that with the foil paper. You can let it rest for more than 17 minutes if it needs to, but that's how long I let it rest for. Now I don't have neutralizing shampoo and conditioner, so I'm just using my argan oil shampoo and conditioner. I'm just going to, you know, normal how you wash your hair, just shampoo it, then condition it, and the whole works. Now you're just gonna squeeze the water out, and I'm gonna show you guys what our knots are looking like right now. Look at that, so natural now. The hairline is just, it looks so much more natural now. Now I'm gonna let that sit overnight to dry. Pop, pop, pop. That's how it looked the next day. No products added. Now I'm just gonna pluck the hairline. I'm just like, there's no method to this. I'm just, you know, I'm just going through and I'm just plucking. I didn't start at the front because I didn't want to bald, you know, make it bald, because it already came pre-plucked. So I'm just going through, combing it out to see if it looks the way I want it to, and I'm just constantly plucking random places, like literally no method to my madness, just plucking randomly. Sometimes I pluck the hairline itself, and then other times I part it and I go behind the hairline. It just depends on what I'm looking for at the time. Because now that I'm watching it, I don't know what the fuck I was doing, but yeah. Damn, look, I don't even know why I gone so deep into the thing, but you know, whatever. It's what it is. So this is what the hairline is looking like after I'm done with everything. So natural, I love it. And now I'm just gonna spray some water into the hair and get the curls popping again, you know. Anyway, so this is the process. After this, I'm just going to install like normal. If you guys want an installation video, just let me know. But yeah, that's all you need to do to prep your wigs for install. Look at her, ain't she just a beauty? I love it. For the most part, I did not have to do much to this hair. Like, it was really all there. I'm so obsessed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Oh, by the way, if you see me in, you know, this top for another video, there's no, I'm shooting another video tonight, so like, but I'm just trying to get these things out of the way. Okay, bye, love you guys.